Cybercrime, money laundering and child pornography, three criminal activities now creating headaches for cops in the parish of Manchester. So, what's the response from the police? Details from TVJ's Kalisha Williams.
Major crimes such as murders may be low in Manchester, but that's little comfort to cops. They are now working overtime to root out other criminal activities currently plaguing the parish.
Lottery scamming, ladies and gentlemen, is one of those issues that it has reared its head here. We have issues of kidnapping. We have issues of cybercrime, and we have issues of child pornography.
Another major issue, money laundering, believed to be fueling businesses in Manchester. Head of the Area 3 Police, ACP Clifford Chambers, says the lack of trust from citizens make it difficult for the police to tackle the upsurge in criminal activities.
At times, the ease at which information should be provided to the police also pose a challenge. There are oftentimes people want to provide information, want to be anonymous, of course, but the medium through which that can be provided is not there.
Even as the police work to build stronger relationships with citizens, ACP Chambers urged the people of Manchester to be vigilant. He said some of those involved in crime are not easily detected because of their profile. For example, a recent child pornography ring that was cracked by the police.
This was an investigation where the person was. If you look at the person, the residence where the person was arrested from, the person's life, the person's lifestyle, there's no way you could discern that this is someone who's involved in serious criminal act. But if you dig deeper and you start to observe, you might have observed the time when persons are visited, or the time when person visited, the age of the person, and so that might ring a bell.
ACP Chambers was representing Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson at a meeting in Mandeville recently. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.